Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap. Then let's tap on Manage Apps at the top and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter Reset App Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.